This is Game 5 of the Western Conference quarterfinal.
Time to crank up the pressure even more between the Tampa Bay Lightning and Winnipeg. Bufflin grabs the puck. Stamkos gets crushed. Coburn with the puck. Shifley gives it up. Call-out.
Line two!
He dumps it in. Steven Stamkos has it. Hutchinson made the pad save. Passed ahead. And out they come with a puck. Shifley knocks the puck loose. Killorn. He gets pushed.
Nice body check. Good defensive play.
Callahan. He gets shoved. Strawman scoops up the loose puck. Fires it. Blocked. Fires. Turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
Moved ahead. Catan. Wrist shot. Sharot takes control of the puck. Big glove save. Brings it out. Maurice jumps on the loose puck.
Line one.
Johnson.
Line three. You're out.
He dumps it in on the end boards. Tampa takes over. Kucherov jumped on by Winnipeg. Tanev dumps it in. Tampa scoops it up. Hedman gets checked. Moved up. Passed ahead. Tampa puts its checking line out. Over the line. Hedman grabs the puck. Hutchinson stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Point gets pushed. Shut off with the puck. Hedman. Pekka gets hold of the puck. He dumps it in. Winnipeg takes it. Brings it behind his net. Pekka intercepts the puck. Namestnikov picks it up. Paquette took it. Pekka. Hutchinson gets the blocker on it.
A weak shot and an easy save.
Quick pass up. Shifley gets the loose puck. Over the blue line. Along the boards. Culp with the puck. Blocked. Vasilevsky gets a leg on it.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
Culp. Namestnikov gets hold of the puck. The Lightning dump it. Truba picked it up. Coburn thrashed.
He made an impact with that one.
Strawman takes control of the puck. Up through center. Over the line. Heavy shot. Bufflin jumps on the loose puck. Culp grabs it. Lowry grabbed it. In the corner. Kala finds the loose puck. Steven Stamkos gets shoved. Tampa dumps the puck in. Winnipeg gets a hold of it. Shifley gets hammered. Ehlers grabs the puck. Slap shot. Stoned by Vasilevsky. Kala.
Line two.
The Lightning dump the puck in. Mayers in control now. Callahan. Push.
He connected that time.
Johnson jumps on the loose puck. Kala. Quick shot. He takes over. Winnipeg picks it off. Laney gets the pass from Hutchinson. Moved ahead. Matthias takes possession of the puck. Point. That's the first period. If you're the coach, do you talk to your players right away?
Well, most coaches wait for the end of the intermission. It gives the guys a chance to take a break.
Hello and welcome back as the second period gets underway.
We've been treated to a close game so far.
Across. Working along the perimeter, Jonathan Drouin. Quick pass up. Rolling it. Now with the puck. Winnipeg corrals it. Culp. He gets pushed.
That'll keep him guessing.
Lowry gets the loose puck. Dano Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. Lowry takes control of the puck. Fires it. Saved by Vasilevsky. Schuster grabs the puck. Drouin grabbed it. He dumps it in on the end boards. Tampa grabbed it. Lowry gets nailed. Pass to him.
Line 3!
Centered. Hedman gets hold of the puck. Tala grabbed it.
Line 2!
Into the attacking zone. Pass back. Hutchinson closes the door. Tanev moved ahead. Quick pass up. Pass to him. Perot shoots. He scores!
As that shot proves, a backhander is dangerous from anywhere.
It's purely a guessing game for the goalie, and he guessed wrong there. Throughout tonight's action, both teams were playing to a draw. Until now.
Someone had to break the deadlock, and you're looking at it.
Moved up. Quick pass up. Up along the boards. Strawman gets the loose puck. Blistering shot. Harrison stops the shot. Mears jumps on the loose puck. Bufflin. Scheifele. Strawman finds it. Tala pushes. Sharot. Maurice gets hold of the puck. Over the blue line. Scheifele. One-timer. Out over the blue line. Kucherov gets pushed. He takes possession of the puck. Winnipeg puts its third line out. Little takes control of the puck. Laine. Little shoots it. He scores!
Great job of getting that puck towards the net quickly.
The goalie wasn't able to get set, and the puck whistled past him and into the cage. Tampa is down by 2 goals.
They really need a lucky bounce, a turnover, anything to catch a break.
29.
Jonathan Drouin. Quick shot from the left.
Number 27.
Moved ahead. In the corner. Block. Icing is called against Tampa. And they get called for icing. Mears with the puck. Coburn. Steven Stamkos now with it. Tala. Winnipeg picks it up. Steven Stamkos gets checked. Advances the puck. Winnipeg dumps the puck in. Laine scooped it up. He has his pocket pick. He jumps on the loose puck. Laine shoots. Winnipeg jumps on it.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Out of their defensive end. The Lightning dump the puck in. Winnipeg gobbles it up.
That's the end of the second period. See how this one's going to play out after the intermission.
It's time for the third period.
An early goal would really put some life back into this game.
Or snuff it out completely. Perot won the faceoff. Tanev. Drouin gives him the business. Jonathan Drouin gets the loose puck. Hackett. Tampa picked it up. Pad save. Hutchinson hangs on for the whistle. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Johnson wins the draw. Stallman whips a shot. Harrison takes control of the puck. Weak shot. Patan gets the pass from Hutchinson. Killorn gets the pass from Vasilevsky, brings it out, moved up.
Line one, get up there.
Line one!
With a wrist shot, Hutchinson made the pad save. Little with the puck. Steven Stamkos gets laid out. Saved by Hutchinson. Hedman jumps on the loose puck. Blocked. Truba takes control of the puck. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. In the corner. Tala. Hedman gives it away. Hackett. Tampa grabs it. Tala brings it in. Wrist shot. Hutchinson stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Played across. Wheeler. Schuster takes possession of the puck. Callahan gets shoved. Dano gets the loose puck. With a wrist shot, Vasilevsky gets a leg on it.
Now that was a quick pad save.
Advances the puck. Moved ahead.
Line one, move out.
Passed ahead. Matthias scoops up the loose puck. He shoves Heka.
And that will break up the play.
Namestnikov jumps on the loose puck.
Line two.
Coburn
Line three.
over the blue line. Fires hard. Stamkos takes control of the puck. It's definitely been a team effort on defense.
I think the goalie's been good, but he's definitely had some help.
Tampa dumps the puck in. Luba grabs it. Katan. Laney has it now. Laney dumps it in on the end boards. He takes control. Vasilevsky stacked the pads. Hackett gives up the puck. Namestnikov scooped it up. The Lightning dump it in. Lowry
Line one, get up there.
up along the boards. Lowry grabs the puck. Tala. Winnipeg takes control. Tala. Kucherov dumped it in. Mayers grabbed it. Ewers corrals it. He hasn't faced a huge number of shots.
Jim, but the ones he has faced, he's looked good on.
Strawman has his pocket pick. He holds up Mayers. He takes control of the puck. Huffman out over the blue line. Taylor Johnson gets hold of the puck. Callahan. Wrist shot on the right. The door is shut by Hutchinson. Matthias dumps the puck in. Strawman takes possession. Killorn. Johnson scooped it up. Tanev. Matthias dumps it. Strawman takes it. Callahan has it. Winnipeg has it. Tanev. Matthias dumps it in. Tampa picks it up. Matthias. That's it. Tampa is in a tough spot.
The key is to step up and come back strong. Now's not the time to play tentative hockey.
Tonight's star for Winnipeg, number 18, Ron Little. Tonight's second star, Winnipeg, number 9, Andrew Cope.
From Atlanta, Georgia, quite a town that's been host to quite a game. I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. We'll see you next time.